Hello everyone, so I am back with another project for Polkadoodles, and this time I made some Christmas ornaments. Oh my gosh, I am so excited because I love anything that has to do with Christmas or winter related. I absolutely love, and I used these awesome dies from Polkadoodles, and they truly are awesome, you guys. I have shown them in a couple of my videos. And I also have shown what they look like all cut out, and these are the ones that I have left over. So this one is the very cute, and he is absolutely cute. This one is called Foxy Fun, and this one, you know, is supposed to have a bow tie, but I made that into a bow, so that can look like a girl, and she is absolutely so cute. And then here is the bunny. Oh my gosh, this bunny is adorable. These are the two that I used. This is the Winnie Chic, and this one is Miss Winnie, and that's what that looks like. So you can see that the pieces are pretty big. I haven't tried putting googly eyes on them, and I should have, but I totally forgot. Also, I will have all of the links to these dies in the description box, as well as my coupon code. So my coupon code is only good for downloads. So now on to my project. All right, so here they are, you guys, and I think they came out so cute, and the best part is that they are super easy to make. I do have a process video on how I put these together, so if you want to check out the supplies that I've used, check out my process video. It's right after this project share. So let's start with the first one. So here is the Winnie girl, and as you can see that even though these die cuts are not Christmas related, but I did make them, you can make them your own. You can even have her dress be red and green and super festive. So here is the first one, you guys, and I love the way that came out. Also, to make the rosettes, I used a Stampin' Up die, which I also show you in the process video in case you're interested. And behind that I have plastic snowflakes and doilies, and I have done the same thing with all of them. Now on this cutie, I've added this Santa hat, and this is by Cottage Cuts, and I think it fit him perfect. So I think he looks adorable. So I made this one more traditional colors. Here is another one. I really like this one because it is really, all of them are really simple, I believe. And oh my gosh, if you watch the process video, you guys, you're going to see how easy it is to put these ornaments together. And you can see the doily. The paper, this paper right here particularly, is Santa Baby, as well as this one. This one is from, I think it's called like Bloom, I don't remember, from Hobby Lobby. So here is the other one. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, you guys. I think these girls are adorable, and this one is holding a present, and you can see all the layers, really pretty. And then the fox, he is adorable. He is just so cute. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys get a chance to make some of these, and if you do, let me know. Come back to this video, let me know that you've done something similar, or if you make a video, let me know. It is almost the end of July, you guys, and I don't think I will be making any more Christmas projects until later this year, maybe October and November. But oh, you know what, maybe I will. Maybe I'll try to make at least one project a month using some of my Christmas dies, but I don't know if I'll actually do that. All right, everyone, this is the end of my project share. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Polkadoodles website for these awesome dies. I will have all of the links in the description box, as well as my coupon code. And don't forget to check out my process video coming right up. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye. Okay, everyone, so I thought I'd give you a quick process video on how I made the ornaments that you should have seen by now. I keep forgetting to turn on my camera because, as you can see, I've already done 4 of them, so I had to cut out another piece of paper. This paper right here is from Hobby Lobby, and as you can see, I kind of started it. and I already folded one end. And in case I haven't shown, the die that I used is this one right here. This is called Big's XL Designer Rosette, and this is by Sizzix, of course, and it's exclusive for Stampin' Up. I don't know if they sell this die. I'm really sorry about that. I really don't know how Stampin' Up is. They only keep their stuff for 1 year. Sure, you can probably find it on eBay or some around there. Or if they sell it, then it should be still in the catalog. Okay, something else I wanted to mention is that these ornaments were inspired by Bridget, who is Shoe Princess 1 here on YouTube. And if you watched her latest creation, she made she altered some rosettes, but hers were really big, and that's what inspired me to use this die, because you can make them really big, and you will see hers are huge. My original plan was to make them that big, but then I decided, oh, I'm just gonna make them into ornaments instead. Can also use these as wands, just add a straw. Other supplies that I have brought out, as you can see, are my die cuts for from Polkadoodles, which are so cute, you guys. I've already shown these. Here are just some of those plastic ornaments that you can find like at any dollar store, Walmart. I got mine from Dollar Tree, from Big Lots. So here's just some of the ones that I have here, just really quick. I do have a tutorial on how I made some wands, and I will link that up there so you can check it out. Alright, so let's make one together. You can see I already accordion fold this, and this I cut it out at 2.5. So after I ran it through the machine, and then I cut it at, you know, the length from here to here, 2.5, both pieces. You're going to need 2 pieces, and all you're going to do is just accordion fold. And there I have my 2 pieces. Now I'm going to connect these two, and what I like to use is hot glue. So I'm just going to add a bead of hot glue, and right there I'm going to connect the 2, and then I like to fold it in just to make sure it stays in there. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this end, just like that. So now I punched out a 2.5-inch circle, and what you're going to do is, so this is my design, right? That's going to be on the outside. So what I like to do is that it's going to be facing down, and then the way I do my rosettes is I get this, which is going to be the bottom, but right now it's the top. I just pretty much try to scrunch them together. And look at that, you guys. There is my rosette right there. Okay. So, or you can do it the other way around. Just turn this over kind of like that. So, however you like, whatever's easier for you guys. Let me show you how much glue I put. I put a lot of hot glue, because I want to make sure that it is not going to come apart. So, that's what that looks right now. Let me just get this ready. I am not the best at tutorials, you guys, but I hope you understand what I am doing. So this is what I did with all of them. And there you have it. And then me, just to give me peace of mind that it is going to stick together, I like to add some to the center. So there is my rosette, you guys, and this is huge. Well, at least for me it's pretty big, because I'm not used to making them this big. I'll show you right now what I'm used to. Okay, so this measures about, so that's about 5 inches. So here are a few of the wands that I made last year, and I did make quite a bit of them. As you can see that these are much smaller, but look how beautiful that would look on top of that rosette that I just made. Oh my goodness, that would make a beautiful rosette. Or check that one out. Oh my gosh, I love it. I really like these. And if you haven't seen this tutorial, I'll have it down below in the description box. All right, let's continue with this one. So far I've brought out this is a white plastic snowflake, and I wrapped some of this eyelash trim around it, because I do have this one. Let me show you. This is from Dollar Tree, and I absolutely love these snowflakes, you guys. These are like one of my favorite ones from the Dollar Tree because it has like that iridescent eyelash trim to it, and I love them. You're not gonna see most of it will be covered up. I was going to use this doily. This is from Stampin' Up, and I think it's a 4-inch, but it's just a bit too big. So I have these from Recollections. There's like 3 different colors in here. So that's what it looks like so far. And I know that it's torn right there, but when I was separating both of them, I guess they were glued on together. All right, and then I definitely want to add, I don't know if I'm going to add this gold one or a silver one. Let's see what the silver one looks like. You know what? I think I like the silver one because this paper has rose gold and gray in it, and so I like this one. And I can save this gold one for another one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it together, and if you watched my other tutorial, you'll know that I used a combination of hot glue and E6000. You can see that it's a hot mess back here, you guys. And then I'm going to add some hot glue. You can see that I'm adding a lot. Now I'm just going to place it down right through the center. I add hot glue exactly to the center of that snowflake. Hot glue right around it. And I'm going to add my doily to that. E6000. And then around some hot glue. And now I am ready to add my image or my die cut. Look at this, you guys. I think he looks adorable, but I also like one of the Weenie girls. Oh my gosh, she is just so cute. Let's see, or what about this one? Oh my gosh, she is adorable. Okay, I think I will add that one or this one, because this one I did use the same paper that from that collection. You know what, I'm going to use this one, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop her up with pop dots. And there you have it, you guys. Here is my finished ornament, and I think it is adorable. So now I have left to do is add some string to it, and or I guess I'll use some ribbon, and it's done. Now let's do the rest. Now that you've seen how I put these together, I'm going to add like a hanger, and I have, as you can see, some trim and some seam binding. This one is called Garland. This is from Walmart. This is from Michael's, and this is from Stampin' Up, the seam binding. So what I'm going to do it super easy, you guys, and I'm only going to show you how to do one. This one goes with the bear. So I just cut a piece of it. Okay, so I figured about right here is like the middle. So let me go ahead and press this up just so I can have some space. All right, and I'm just going to do it the good old-fashioned way, you guys. Just some hot glue and just stick it right in the middle, and that's it. That's all I'm going to do. And there it is. So then later what I'm going to do is, once I know who I'm going to send it out to, I do want to cover this up with like maybe like a big circle and cover it up with some pretty paper, and you know, sign it with my name on it so that they know that it is made by me. All right, and there is my hanging element, as you can see, and it will look so pretty in a Christmas tree. I don't know if you can tell, but this is one of those small Christmas trees that I got last year from Dollar Tree, and I just hung it on here. I have it laying down, as you can see, give you an idea on what it would look like on your Christmas tree. That's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.